today's video, we will discuss about an important thing like how many data jobs are available in the industry. Based on that one, we can analysis, we can study and move into the data engineering part. So am I correct, right? Yes. So that was the reason I will tell you. For the Naukri portal itself, there are available 25,000 jobs are currently available in here. Okay, you're interesting, right? Yes, that much of data jobs or data engineering jobs are available in the Naukri itself. So the same thing is available in the different portal like Indeed and LinkedIn. There are a lot of job openings are providing current based on the current month, the 2023 February. So that is the reason I am suggesting all the people, if you are really interested to passionate about to move into the data engineering time, so this is the right time. You can choose and you can adopt any courses and study under a mentor. Then it will help you to land your dream job and you will get a highly paid data industry for the next 25 or 30 years, because data will not stop already. So data increasing, the data demands will increase day by day. Only thing is that new technology will come. Definitely new technology will come. The handling method will data will definitely replace or something, but we need to update every day. Then it will be, and there is no, we cannot fear any kind of laid off and all. But only thing, we need to upgrade every set. And one more thing I will tell you, from the Naukri itself, we can see the salary range. The salary range is also crazy, means 15 to 30 lakhs or 12 to 13 lakhs. So that will be the minimum salary of the average engineer salary for the 2 to 6 years of experience. So that will be above average salary of the Indian people. So that is the reason they are provided. This is a highly paid in data engineer or jobs in the market. I think clear, right? So learn something new in your career and move into the data engineering. It will help you a lot. Trust me, it will be help you a lot. Yeah, thank you team.